What is experiential marketing? Experiential marketing, often referred to as engagement marketing or event marketing, is an advertising strategy that focuses on creating immersive and interactive experiences to engage consumers of the brand. It aims to involve consumers actively, allowing them to touch, feel, and experience the brand in a memorable way, focusing on providing real-life, first-hand experiences of a brand's offerings. These are the most common types of experiential advertising. 1. Event marketing. The most used type of experiential advertising is organizing events, and you can use them to talk about your brand to the audience. But in this case, there's not much interaction. Therefore, there's a danger that it will turn into a traditional boring event, and you want to avoid this. So it's best to make these events about your industry or a certain cause, with your company being merely the sponsor and the initiator. This will leave more room for a quality exchange of ideas that can create an actual memorable experience. However, you can also go for less conventional events such as parties, picnics, festivals, or competitions. If you decide to do this, just make sure that the type of event you choose fits your brand. 2. Workshops and classes. Offering your customers free or affordable workshops or classes can also generate some significant engagement on their part. How exactly you will conceive of these classes and put them to work depends on your industry, as well as the messages that your brand wants to send. Make sure they involve more than just explaining how to use some of your products. It should provide some real value for the user if you want it to be effective marketing-wise. 3. Brand activations. Brand activations are usually employed when a company is introducing a new product or line of products, or when an entirely new company wants to present itself to the public. The point of brand activations is to gain initial recognition for the product and convince people to try it. You can do this by simply organizing free tastings or samplings of the product, but to use the full potential of this strategy, you may go beyond that. Try creating a situation in which they'd need your product to show its benefits and usefulness. 4. Technology-inspired experiential marketing. Using highly engaging technology to create unique experiences for consumers is the future of experiential marketing. With technologies on the brink of erasing the border between reality and simulation, it's possible to create a digital experience with the same effect as any authentic physical event. Probably the most used pieces of technology in this respect are virtual and augmented reality. You can use these to show your customers how your production process works or tell the story about your company or your products. A well-thought experiential marketing campaign can be hugely beneficial for your brand. Most marketers and business owners have already recognized this. It's just one more reason not to neglect this fact and start investing in your experiential marketing efforts as early as today. DesignRush. Connecting businesses with verified agencies.